Hit that bitch. Hit that bitch. That shit sound good.
But I got another jerk car picking up this weekend. 846. Rev it.
He's not rev it.
Oh my god, bro, please. Do not do it like this. Oh shoot, there's another GCR over there.
If the gap came on, that's the same one too.
No, that one doesn't have a wing. Yellow one has a wing.
Oh my god, that shit was hard as fuck. Oh.
I got the okay, the approval to do this. But
Yeah.
I don't know where'd he go?
What, the host?
Not the host. He's wearing like a blue.
Green vest?
No, blue sweatshirt, just like mine. Like
Oh
blue.
shit.
I don't know where he went. It's like kind of like a baby. I'm like looking for him.
Yeah, I haven't seen him.
But I am starting to get people parking.
Yeah. See, bro, Mopars, bro. Oh my god. Mopars. What are you gonna do? I feel like he about to cut up on some Mopar shit. What we doing? Yeah, they recording. Let me get up. Damn. He tripping. Oh shit. Oh.
Everyone who couldn't fit into the parking lot is just coming over here.
Damn. Behind the scenes.
I think his rolling.
Hell no.
My dad did not want to come to this, by the way. He fucking said he. This is the best right there. What's the best right there?
I've seen a dark horse in person.
That's my dad's back at that tree.
My first look at the dark horse. Damn, I hate they put that plate on the front. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Dark horse is hard as fuck to me. These shits are sweet. That bitch hard as hell. Boy, I love them old people with the muscle cars, boy. Hey, I just know he don't bring that shit
The guy
out.
with the blue hoodie, just let him know I gotta go.
What he look like? I don't know where he is.
He's got light blue hoodie. That's all you gotta know.
Light blue?
You'll find him. It's not like that kind of blue. It's just a little lighter. You'll find him.
Light blue. I'll see if I see him. See, if anything, this dude with the green, he'll help too.
I got you.
All right.
I'm gonna let him know. I'm leaving, but I'm gonna let this guy out.
All right, man. Oh my God, that one LE. What the fuck? Oh shit. I came for the one LE. This bitch hard. Damn. Dog, look at this back-to-back ZL1s. God damn, with the wheels on. Shit. I'm cold as hell. Bitch, listen to that bitch. My nigga exhaust tip look fucked up a little bit, but that bitch still hard. Yeah. That bitch hard as hell. My nigga license just green, I think. I know the police pulled me over for having red light. Ooh. The 300. Making all that noise, what y'all gonna do? Damn, I need some cons. Man. Oh shit. Oh shit. The supercar killer. Hey, and the everything killer. Look at that big ass wing on there, god damn. Yeah, look at this thing with this big ass hoop. Oh, my bad. With the wheels on that bitch. Yeah. With the bikes out. The Charlie. Oh. I'm cold as hell. Yeah. Hit that bitch. I know, squeaking like a bitch. This bitch clean though. I want to see this lowrider, bro. This motherfucker for me. This stole the show. Shit. Hey, look.
Oh, he right there. He right here.
Yeah, mine has been all over, bro. That motherfucker sweet though.
That's a VC.
Yeah.
But it's sweet though.
I gap her shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, look, she parking there. I gap her shit too. If my shit went.
I ain't gonna lie. She got a challenge. She'll do your shit in. I ain't gonna lie.
It's not the car, it's the driver, nigga.
I'm
Look,
fucking-
it's not the car, it's the driver, nigga. It's how you drive that bitch. You gotta know how to drive that motherfucker.
I'm
Flip that
fucking
motherfucker back and forth, nigga.
Yeah. Hey, what you gonna do around that corner?
Man, I'ma spin out, bro. I'm finna. Yeah.
Hell no.
Make them tires grip the street, nigga, and eat.
Yeah, let them know.
Grip and eat.
Yeah, big 300.
Yes, sir. Big 300. She parked next to me. I need to go see if she bad.
Ooh. Hey, nigga, you on camera.
I don't get no fuck, nigga.
Whoa. That nigga got a whole girlfriend. This nigga tripping. I'm trying to wait. This nigga wasting my fucking stores, bro. Oh, I'm tripping. I cut the camera off too soon. What that bitch, a RT or SR? No, it's Hell no. Oh, City cut the lights on, nigga.
You can tell. You know, like that one. Yeah, my charger is Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Got that two-step.
What's up, young nigga? What you?
Nah, nigga, I record there. I don't know what to record. I'm like this way, that way.
Hey, bro.
over
Hey,
there,
look.
over there.
Let me talk to you private. You come too. Come here. Hey, nigga, don't you got a girl?
Oh, not you and put me on camera like
Nigga, that's
that.
what I said. I got you on camera. You said you don't give a fuck. I mean,
ain't
I
got
could.
a girl. They ain't secure. They ain't no titles on nothing.
That's what I would be seeing.
This chestnut checkers.
Hey, right or wrong, that's not what the fuck I be seeing.
This chestnut
My nigga,
checkers.
I can't say too much though.
He can't say too much.
Shit, nigga, I can.
But I don't give a fuck.
Ooh,
This chestnut checkers.
ooh,
She don't want you. She don't know you.
ooh.
So I can say whatever the fuck I want. Nigga. At the end of the day,
Yeah, throw it
I'm
up.
the
Throw it up.
one doing this shit, nigga.
Throw it up.
I'm providing. I'm the man of the house. I
That
want a
nigga
G.
said that's T Grizzly in that bitch. Hell no.
God, that's T Grizzly doing burnout. That bitch sound good.
Alright, hell yeah, that shit do.
That shit bright, but it sound good. That bitch throwing ass in the circle.
That bitch sweet as hell.
That bitch doing the stanky leg, nigga.
Well, that nigga gang banging in that bitch. Oh, shit. Damn.
Burn some more.
That nigga face straight as hell. What they better do? They lined up perfect as hell.
That nigga said the police. We slowed down. Man, fuck.
Damn, nigga, you just savage tonight, bro. Goddamn, chill.
Yeah, you think
chill, bro.
Nigga,
chill.
If you think I'm already accelerating, and I'm already going fast down the street, I'm finna slow down for some ops.
You hear me?
Nigga, as soon as you pass them, they got your shit. They finna turn on them lights and come chase your ass. Nigga, they gonna turn on them lights, I'm gonna turn off them lights. And I'm gonna get going and active on them niggas. You talk that.
Yeah, what he say?
I'm gonna take exits. I'm gonna take back roads, nigga. I'm gonna take exits, back roads, everything.
All right. Calm down, bro. Calm down. You reached about a 9 right there. I need about an 8.
I don't break rules. I follow the law.
He a bitch.
I follow the law.
No, I'm playing.
I follow the law. Nah, I just play. I know.
Oh, my hands cold,
man. Fun
bitch.
times.
Damn. I'm just dry recording, bro. God damn.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?